What's up everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today's something a little different. You guys in the last video saw me do that tank and the fender. Today I get to put together the bike. Tomorrow there's a big show going down close, it's local. Local hot rodder putting it on, so to show support we're gonna get the truck ready and the bike and bring them down. They won't be complete, they won't be running, but still gonna look pretty good. So let's get to putting this thing together. Step number one, put in the transmission. Next, we put in the motor. Now, before tightening down the transmission too much, you gotta get the motor in because the primary, which runs from the motor to the transmission, that's all gotta be in line. Make sure that runs straight through the motor. Brand new 120 cubic inch. Oh. Here, let me get it. Okay, we got the motor and trans in there. Next thing to put in is the primary. The shocks are in, it's all bolted down. So, do a little unboxing. This is an open belt primary drive. If you know your bikes at all, some cool stuff. Instructions, don't need those. Part numbers, hopefully don't need those. Alright. So, box number one, outboard support kit. Belt, clutches, pressure plate, springs for the clutches, round thing, 45 tooth puller motor, whoa, looky. That's like a supercharger pulley. Nice. This is a sprocket shaft collar. Complete clutch hub assembly. Motor plate assembly. This must be puzzle piece number one.
Dude, it looks too much. And I have to put a garden halfway. I'll make a garden and put this down here up to weld it on this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Okay, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to go out for dinner soon, but I'll show you guys how far I got so far. Motor, transmission are in, primary is all lined up, all hooked up. Just for right now, for the show tomorrow, we're gonna put this thing together real fast with really like no clutch inside there and stuff, so just we can get it to the show and people can see how it's supposed to look and how it's gonna look. After the show, we'll do a whole separate video on putting it together properly, doing all the torque specs, putting in the clutches, all the fine tuning, all the stuff we need to do like that. I'm hoping after supper I can get back in here and do some more because tomorrow's the show and we gotta get this stuff ready to go. Okay, dinner is done. Time to get back to work. It's getting kind of late already now. It's about almost 10 o'clock. I've been up since 4 this morning, but oh my God, the truck is looking good. You guys wanna see it? Maybe I should make you wait. Bike looks how I left it. Check it out. My dad's been working hard. Got the front end on the truck. Whoa. So for those of you that know me really well, it's not uncommon to see me working on a bike, but those of you that only know me from watching these videos, watching these vlogs, it's not often that I do bike stuff, but I used to work on them all the time. From like halfway through high school, I got a job working at a bike shop and I was mostly working on competition off-road bikes. At the time I was racing motocross, and then I started working on Harleys and choppers, and my dad and I actually opened up a shop when I was fresh out of high school and we ran that for a few years. And here, this is my dad's bike. This is one that we built. This thing is stretched, it's longer, it's taller. Look at that space between the engine and the tank. Huh? Big tire, big long forks. The lounge area. There's the bar, the TV. Dining area. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Now you guys know where I get it from. Where I get all my bad habits. That's something we're gonna start working on later on too. That's an old COE cab over. That's gonna be used for hauling cars and bikes and other fun stuff. So for this thing tonight, I think I'm gonna try to put the hand controls on, the foot pegs, the foot controls, the stand, the back tire's gotta go on there, front fender, maybe the brake caliper, make it look cool. Because this bike's not gonna be functioning for tomorrow, like I said before. It's just gotta look good because we're bringing it to a show, just to show everybody what we've been up to and what goes on here in the shop. More stuff to put together.
Drive now? No. I didn't get it done.
Got the whole crew working on the bike now. Mr. Shane, Nathan, and the mechanic guy, Andrew. Say hi to YouTube. You're gonna be famous.
Huh?
All right, so we've been working all afternoon. My dad's been working all day since like 6 this morning. It's now 1 in the morning and we're gonna call it a night. So we'll get back at it tomorrow morning and hopefully get these things out to the show. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining in. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, like, share, and we'll get at you tomorrow. Peace and stay happy.
Hey.